Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. My channel is mostly about DIYs, flips, thrift flips, makeovers, trash to treasures, DIYs, holiday themed like DIYs, any of that kind of stuff I do on my channel. So if that's the kind of thing you like, please make sure you subscribe, stick around, take a look at my other videos, and leave me a comment. Today's video is a part of a challenge hosted by Jamie from Border Bananas. Now, this challenge is called Flippin Fridays, and basically she hosts these challenges every month, and you have to do a flip of some sort, whether you flip a furniture piece, a decor piece, a room, or anything like that. You just have to flip it and show what you've done. So that's what I'm doing for you today. I'm actually flipping my fireplace. So here's what the fireplace looked like before, actually with the old lights too. This was from the previous owners. Then what I had done was I had stained the mantle. It was oak, as you can see. So I had done this transformation in stages. I first stained the mantle, and I stained it with a gel stain without having to strip it or sand it down or anything, which was really great. Didn't mind the look of the dark mantle and the dark fireplace. I decided that I wanted to lighten up the room even further. So I went ahead and my husband helped me by protecting the mantle and the actual fireplace insert so that I could go ahead and paint it. It took us probably a good, like 40 minutes to protect everything. The floors on the sides, put the tape around the fireplace so I wouldn't get it on the wall. And then I went ahead and I diluted some Rust-Oleum chalked linen white, as well as a little bit of water. So it was about 3 parts paint, 1 part water. And then I cleaned off the fireplace, just if there was any dust or anything like that. And then I went ahead and I painted it. So when I was painting it, I would brush it on and then dab off the paint. Brush it on. It was really wet because it was diluted. So I would dab off until I got kind of the consistency I wanted. Now I did 1 coat, and then I noticed it was a little bit too light, like too not dark, not white enough. So I went and I did another coat. So the first coat, I was about half water, half paint, and then I did 3 parts paint, 1 part water, and I went over top. And then I achieved the look I wanted. But you'll see me doing this. I'm just going to run some music and you can watch me paint. So the problem that you have with this paint is that once it dries, it you know the brick soaks in the paint, so it's not as like white as it was when it was wet. So here's what it looked like before. So after it dried a bit, I saw that it was way too light, like way not light enough. So I went and I painted kind of half of it over with white, and I loved the way it looked. So I continued. The thing is, you don't want to do too much because you can't go back. So you have to kind of like here it is before and here it is after. So I love the after better, but you have to make sure that you're happy with the, so maybe do like a little spot first, because if you do a big spot and then you're not happy with it, you can't go back. So always kind of do a lighter, more watered down, and then you can always go back. And I mean, the whole project took me about 3 or 4 hours with the help of the protecting everything. My husband helped me, and then the rest I did by myself. So it wasn't too long of a project, I don't think. Probably could have been a little bit faster. I took some breaks. I hung out with the kids a little bit. So like I said, 3 or 4 hours, not terribly long for this project. But here's the finished piece. I love the way it turned out. I've decorated the mantle in a fall theme. I am absolutely in love with the way this turned out. It brightened up the room so much, and I just think it looks so much more modern now than it did before. Although I didn't mind the brick color before at all, but this just looks so much more better. I think it's just so stunning. If you think it's stunning and you liked what I did here, give me a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Leave me a comment below. Tell me whether you would have maybe kept it like the lighter version of the white instead of the brighter white. Let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you check out Border Bananas. Make sure you check out the playlist and check out these videos that I'm recommending for you at the end here. Thank you for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.